Hey everyone, welcome to TechScale, and I know it's been long that I haven't contributed to the custom ROM community, and I'm very sorry for that. Actually, things haven't been that great so far, so I'm back again, and today we're going to install Android 12 in our POCO F1, and to be honest, the build is sort of stable, and there are little bit things that doesn't work. I'll explain all of them in the video, so stay tuned and let's begin the installation procedure. So first things first, right now I am on Android 11, and for installing this ROM you have to completely format the device. So for that we have to, obviously we need to have a custom recovery, and in my phone I'm having the TWRP recovery. So pressing the volume up and power button both at the same time for literally 8-9 seconds, this will land up in the TWRP section, as you can see, and then we will install the AOSP extended version 9. And this is an unofficial build. The AOSP developers haven't developed this ROM for specifically this device yet, but still it's a very working ROM, so we are going to install it in our phone. As you can see, I'll write yes here since I want to format the device, and I'll press simply yes here. And after that, then I'll copy the ROM file, and then we'll simply flash it. And keep one thing in check, my battery percentage is 32%, but it's always recommended to keep the battery over 50% for these type of things. So let me just copy the file and come back. So here I am. I have successfully copied the ROM file. As you can see, it says AOSP extended 9 version Beryllium unofficial build, as I told you. So I'll just unplug this, and all you have to do is click on this and simply swipe to confirm flash. That's it. That's the standard procedure that we do, and I hope you have copied all the important stuff in your laptop or in any storage device. So let this ROM get copied and get installed. This will take around about 5 minutes, and I'll see you on the boot screen. So here we are. We have successfully installed, as you can see, successful it says, and I'll quickly reboot the phone and let's see how the ROM looks like. First of all, there will be a boot logo or whatever you want to call it. So let's see how it rocks. So this build is particularly a GApps build. So there are two variants available. I'll link both of them in the description of the video. You can, if you want to have a GApps build and if you want to have a vanilla build, both of them will be linked in the description. So do check them out. And I installed the GApps build because I just wanted to see how the material you in the Gmail and the other Google app looks like. So let's see, and I'll quickly set up the phone and I'll see you on the boot screen, or maybe I'll show you the what do we call it, the installation procedure or the setting up procedure, because it's Android 12, so maybe we can wait a little bit. So here we are. It says welcome to your Pixel, and oh my god, I thought my screen is broken from here, but this is just a cool little animation. So let's start. So we are in India, so as a stay option we don't want. Let's get started. Okay, I will just choose any of them, maybe this one, and let's see. Okay, this one again, this one again, this one again, and I'll quickly set my Wi-Fi. So yeah, and the Wi-Fi is done, and let's see what else are we having here. So the animations are literally cool, I can already see, and these are going great. So let me just this might take a little bit of time, so I'll just quickly set this phone up and I'll meet you on the boot screen, on the start screen. Hello everyone, and as you can see, it's 15th of October and we are rocking Android 12 in our POCO F1, and as you can see, this looks super great. And just have a look at these animations. Just have a look. This is just amazing. As you can see, this is awesome. Like this is my first time that I'm using the Android 12, and trust me, everything on this phone is smooth. Just look at these animations. Look at this pill and mic access. You can block it, you can turn it on. Screen recorder is there. You can literally turn off the camera access. And now I think if I try to turn, if there is a camera, yes, I go there, unblock camera. So for the time when you don't want the camera to be accessible, you can just turn it off, and there are a lot of features going on around. So that's how you install it, and in the next video I'm going to tell you about all the features of this ROM and To be honest, this is stable. Let me just call a number to see if the calling is working. And yeah, as you can see, the calling works, and there's a video call option as well. I hope that works too. I'll check in the complete review of this ROM. And for the starters, this is super great. And let's see if the Bluetooth is working. As you can see, the Bluetooth is working, the Wi-Fi is working, and apart from that, torch works, DND works, and everything else works. And let's see what else are they giving in this. So there is some POCO something here, why. Okay, this is the vibrations. Oh my god, this is one of the finest feature. I think the vibrations are super, the haptic feedback is awesome in this ROM. So we have the performance profiles here as well, and the thermal balance. So these are mostly for the gaming, so for the game enthusiast people, and here we have some sort of calibration engine working around. So I'll review all of this in the complete video. For starter, this ROM is super great, and if you are looking for Android 12, I think AEX or AOSP extended is the best choice available. All the links are in the description of the video. Do check them out and subscribe to the channel and share this video if you found this helpful. And do let me know in the comment section what else do you want from the videos that will be coming in future, right? So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.